Good morning everyone. Today we will start with the human respiratory system. The human respiratory system may be divided into two major components, that is respiratory tract and respiratory organs. Respiratory organs are lungs. Respiratory tract. It serves as a passageway for the fresh air to flow from outside inside the lungs and for the foul air to return from the lungs to the exterior. Gaseous exchange do not take place in respiratory tract. It consists of external nares, nasal chamber, internal nares, pharynx, larynx, trachea, bronchi and bronchioles. Some bronchi and all bronchioles lie within the lungs. Other part lie outside the lungs. Means external nares, nasal chamber, internal nares, pharynx, larynx, trachea. They lie outside the lungs. First part is external nares. Holes of the nose are called external nares or nostril. These are paired opening present at the low end of the nose that open into the nasal chambers. Second part is nasal chamber. The nasal chamber are a pair of passages in the head above the palate. If you touch your palate, above the palate is your nasal chamber. The two chambers are separated from each other by the nasal septum. Each nasal chamber can be differentiated into three regions: vestibular region, respiratory region, olfactory region. First of all, vestibular region. Each nostril open into the vestibular region. It is small and bears hair and contain oil gland. The function of vestibular region is that the hair prevents the entry of large dust particle. So the region which is present above your palate, that is known as the vestibular region. So this region is known as the vestibular region. Then the second region or the middle region is known as the respiratory region. It is the middle region and is rich in gland cells called mucus cells which secrete mucus and serous cells which produce watery fluid. This region is highly vascular and appears pink or reddish in color. What is the function of respiratory region? As the name indicates, it acts as a filtering and air conditioning region in breathing. The upper part of the nasal chamber is known as the olfactory region. This one. The upper part is known as the olfactory region. It is the upper part of the nasal chamber. As the name suggests, olfactory region, olfactory is related to smell. So it is lined with the olfactory epithelium. It looks like yellowish brown in color and its function is that it acts as organ of smell. Means this smell, it is perceived by the olfactory epithelium. Olfactory epithelium, it is made up of sensory cells known as olfactory cells which receives the smell and it sends the signals to the brain. Okay,